In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different adjustments, and the only reason why I really put these 3 together is because they don't have settings. You just click on them and they automatically do something. So we'll take a look at all 3 of them very quickly. So if you go to the top and you go to Image and you go to Adjustments, the first one that you're going to find is Invert. And you can see that the shortcut key here is Control+I or Command+I, and it's just going to invert the colors of whatever you have in your image. So when I select that, you can see we have the inverse of colors. The blues have turned more yellows and the yellows have turned more blues, and that's going to happen based on the color wheel and whatever colors you have in your image. So the colors are basically going to be the inverse of them on the color wheel. The next one that we have here is Desaturate, and that's Shift-Control-U or Shift-Command-U, and that's basically going to just do a flat desaturation across the whole image. So if you need to desaturate very quickly, that's an easy way to do that. And then the final one that you see here is Equalize. And what Equalize is going to do is it's going to take the lightest parts and make them white, and the darkest parts and make them black, and then evenly distribute the rest of the grayscale ranges for brightness throughout the image. If you look at this image, it actually looks really nice the way that it has evenly distributed out the darker and lighter colors and everything in between. But as you can see, with those 3 different adjustments, the invert, the desaturate, and the equalize, there are no settings that you have to adjust. You can just select them and automatically have them activated. Invert will invert the colors in the image, desaturate is going to remove all saturation from the image, and equalize is going to allow you to get a better range of brightness values from darkness to lightness.